All right, so we've got 6 minutes. We could either set that on our phone. I'm gonna set it on this big timer. Again, your timer is gonna be different based on different things. This big hand is minutes. So I'll set it to 6. We'll do 6.5. Again, it's not exact, and that's okay. So this timer you set, you turn it on, and sorry, that needs to be on time. And it goes. See that? So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna move this stuff aside, is we're going to set up our stuff. So we got that. We're gonna keep our chemicals in this order. Don't forget about that. So we've got developer first. We've got stop bath second. And we've got fixer third. Okay, none of these chemicals are terribly dangerous. They might stain your clothes a little. I'm gonna also pull over a third container just so we can use it to pour our used chemicals into. So I'm gonna show you how to dispose of these properly. And remember, all of this is up here. All of this is described up here. So we're gonna have a couple of different timers. We're gonna do our developing time. Oh, I never turned my timer off. Let me do that real quick. So we're gonna have our developing time of 6.5 minutes, which is gonna be this. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pour it down this hole. I'm gonna agitate it, okay? I'm gonna agitate for about 10 seconds, and then I'm going to let it sit for a minute. And every minute I'm gonna agitate for 10 seconds, okay? So I'm gonna agitate, sit for a minute. I'm gonna watch my timer. Whenever it hits a minute, I'm gonna agitate again, minute, agitate again, minute, and so on until we hit 0. Once we hit 0, I'm gonna pour this out. So you just pour it out. And then I'm gonna add the stop bath. The stop bath we're gonna do for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna pour it in, I'll just agitate the whole time for 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna pour the stop bath out. Then I'm gonna add fixer. We're gonna do the fixer for 3 minutes. And it's gonna be the same, where it's agitate, wait a minute, agitate, wait a minute, and then whenever 3 minutes is up, we're gonna pour it out. So I'm going to start that. There's 2 different agitation methods. You could either put a lid on the top of the container. I'm not a fan of this. You turn it upside down. I don't think it's great. Or you can find this little guy, which is an agitation wand. He works very simply. He goes into this hole. Whenever you spin it, it spins your film. So you just twist it back and forth. All right, so let's get started. We got our timer set up for 6.5 minutes. We've got our chemicals. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this out, set it there. So we're gonna start the timer, and we're going to pour our chemistry. I'm gonna take this guy, so I'm agitating for 10 seconds. Just watching my time. I'm gonna stop, and I wait a minute. So I'll wait until that hand comes back around for a minute. I'm gonna stop this and I'll resume whenever it does.